Class 10 Mathematics Chapter 6 Coordinate Geometry and the exercise 1. I am R.S. Prasad. Today I will start your coordinate geometry, that is the chapter 6. Now come to the what is the coordinate geometry. It is the graph looking like this type. It has um, two axes. One is x-axis and one is y-axis. You can say x dash, that is the x-axis. This one x dash, this x, it is x dash, and here is x. It is called as x-axis. This one is called as x-axis. Here is positive. It is right on here. Ox is positive always, and here is negative always. So you can write here number, that is the -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. And here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All are in positive. And here is y-axis. It is your y-axis. So you can say y-axis. So it is positive upward. It is 1, it is 2, and it is 3. And in downwards it is negative. So it is -1, -2, -3 like it. So it is negative downwards and upward is positive, and it is y-axis. So on x-axis, that is the positive, right hand side is positive and left hand side is negative. Always remember. So it is divided into 4 parts. It is divided, this is the 4 parts. So you can see what is the 4 parts. The first part, it is called as first quadrant. This one is called as first quadrant. So always remember, it is your first quadrant. Now it is your second quadrant. So always remember, it is second quadrant. And it is your third quadrant. So you can always remember, this one is third quadrant. And it is your fourth quadrant. It is fourth quadrant. Always remember. This one is called as origin. Origin and coordinate of origin. It is origin, and coordinate of origin is always remember, that is 0, 0. That is the most important question. The coordinate of origin is 0, 0. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is positive axis and it is negative axis. That is the -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. And here is also, it is -1, it is -2, it is -3, and -4, and it is -5. So as you have seen, it is plus plus, it is the first quadrant. It is minus plus, it is your second quadrant. And it is minus and minus, it is third quadrant. And what about to this? It is plus and minus. First of all, we are moving in x coordinates, whether it is plus or minus. And second, then we are moving on y-axis, whether it is positive or negative. So you are always remember to this sign. It is first quadrant, and this is your second quadrant, and this sign is for third quadrant, and this sign is for fourth quadrant. You always remember this one. Now, how can plot a point? This is a point 4, 3. 4, 3 is given you, and how can plot this one? So you can write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on x-axis, and on y-axis there is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. And here is, you can see, consider here -1, it is -2, it is -3, it is -4, it is -5. So this point is -5. So always remember, the point is 4, 3. So first you move and on x-axis like this. You can move here on x-axis and positive direction, and then y is going here. So it is 1, 2, and 3. So for your point is 4, 3. And first coordinate, that is the x-axis, it is given here x coordinate, and this one is y coordinate, and y-axis coordinate. So always remember. So first one is called as abscissa and second one is called as ordinate. First one is abscissa and second one is ordinate. So you can remember this one. Suppose you want to plot a point minus 4, 3. So how can plot the minus 4, 3? First you move minus 4, this one. And then move 3, that is the upward. So it is 1, 2 and 3. So that point is minus 4, 3. If you want to plot minus 5 and minus 3. So how can plot this? It is minus 5 and 1, 2 and 3. So this point is minus 5 and minus 3. First you move on x-axis and then second move on y-axis. Suppose you want to plot point 3 and minus 4. So how can plot this? 3 on x-axis, this one, and 4 on minus, that means 1, 2, 3, 4. This point is 3 minus 4. So this type you can plot a point. Now come to this one. What is the locate the point 4, 5 on the Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane is the xy plane. So it is called as Cartesian plane. So first of all you can plot here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It is positive and negative is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. And here is positive, so you can write here it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4, it is 5 and it is 6. And here is minus 1, it is minus 2, it is minus 3, it is minus 4 and it is minus 5. So you want to plot this number. This is the 4, 5. So first of all move to forward on x-axis, that is the 4.4 number, and after 4 so we get find. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you can round this point and write here 4, 5 and that is the plotting of the point on Cartesian plane. So that is your answer. So you can put on the graph. इस सबको ग्राफ पेपर में ही बनाना है. Now locate the point minus 4, 5. So first of all you can count this one. It is 1, it is 2, 3 and 4 and 5. And here is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4 and it is 5. And downwards it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4 and minus 5. What it will be here? It is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. So plot the minus 4 and 5. So first you move, this one is on x-axis. This is on x-axis and this one on y-axis. Okay, now come to the minus 4 on axis. This one is minus 4, so you can see here. And now that is the 5, so you can count positive sign 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that point is minus 4, 5. So you can say easily, it's easy to plot the point. Suppose you want to plot the point 4 minus 3. So how can plot? First of all you can move the 4 in x-axis, that is the 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is 4. And now move minus 3. So it is 1, 2, 3. So that one is 4 minus 3. Minus is always downwards and plus is always upward. And here is on x-axis, minus is on left hand side and plus is on right hand side. So you can plot easily. Now come to this one. Coordinate of the sum points are given below in each quadrant. Do the lies locate each of them on the Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane, that means xy plane. So first number is 5, 7. So 5 is here and 7 is, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So you can write here it is 5, 7. Which quadrant? It is first quadrant. So you can write quadrant also. It is first quadrant, it is second quadrant, it is third quadrant and it is fourth quadrant. Which is written on your paper also, and it is the origin. So you can write here origin. It is the coordinate of origin. Now come to the point second one. First is completed here, this one, and the second is -2 and 5. So -2, that is the -1, and -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. So first of all, move on x-axis with -2. This one is -2. So it is here -2. Now move 5, and 5 is upward. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you can plot here and write the point, that is the -2 and 5. Now come to the 3. It is second quadrant. You can write here. And now come to the third. It is 2 minus 2. So first one 1, 2 on x-axis. So it is 2, and -2 on downwards. It is 1, it is 2. So you can write here 2 minus 2, and it is your fourth quadrant. You can write fourth quadrant. Now fourth one is -4 and -5. So first move on x-axis. It is -4. It is here, and -5. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you can put here point and round them, and write here -4 and -5. So which quadrant? It is the third quadrant. So you can write here it is first quadrant. This one is -2 and 5. It is second. This one is second quadrant. You can write second. And this one 2 minus 2. It is in fourth quadrant. So you can write as a 4. And -4 minus 5. This is the third quadrant. So you can write third quadrant. You can write on your copy, and that is the graph copy. आपको सारी चीज़ें ग्राफ कॉपी में ही बनानी है. सो यू कैन ड्रॉ इन ग्राफ पेपर ओनली, not to similar copy. Now come to the next one, that is the exercise 1. What happened in this exercise? Coordinate of the sum points are given below. Locate them the Cartesian plane and write the quadrant in each of the following points lies. Okay, the first point is, that is the 3, 4. So you can write here 3 and now 4. That is the 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you can round here, and you can write here 3 and 4. And that is the first quadrant. So you can write here first quadrant. Now that is the -5 and 6. -5, that is the -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. And here is -5 and 6. So you can -5 and 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you can round this type and write -5 and 6. And which quadrant? It is second quadrant. So you can write here second quadrant. Now come to this point. Third one is -2, -1. So -2 is here, and -1 is downward. So you can write here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. So -2 and -1 it is here. So you can write here it is -2. Not it is -2, -1. So you can write -2 and -1. It is your third quadrant. So you can write here it is in your third quadrant. Now come to the fourth part. It is 2.5 and -7. So 2.5, where is 2.5? It is 2.5. This one is 2.5. And -7 is downwards. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 is 7. So that point is 2.5 and -7. It belongs to fourth quadrant. So that is the fourth quadrant. So you can write here fourth quadrant. So these questions are separately written in your copy. So you can plot all this type of graph. Now come to the next, the question number 2. On the basis of coordinate of the following points, tell in which axis the points exist. Which axis exist? Now it is 0, 5. So first of all here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here is it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and here is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and here is -6. So first is 0, 5. So it is 0 and 5 is going upwards. So it is your y axis. So this point is called as on y axis. It is y axis. Now second one is -6 and 0. You can write here 0, 5. -6 and 0. So -6, first of all, this one is -6 and 0. So it is here. So -6 and 0. It is negative axis, that is the OX axis. So you can write here, and it is it is y axis positive. You can say positive, and it is x axis, and that is the negative. Now it is -3 and 0. -3 is, you can see here, -3, this one, and 0 is looking here. So it is -3 and 0. It is also x axis negative. X axis, that is negative side hai. And it is 0 and -3.5. So 0 -3.5, that is the here. So you can write here -0 and -3.5, this point. And it is OY axis, that is the negative sign, that is the y axis, and you can say negative, in negative direction. These are the answer of your question. Now come to this one, fill in the blanks. Point -4 and -7 lies in third quadrant. So you can say it is third quadrant. Now the y coordinate of any point on x axis, that is the 0. The Cartesian plane, both axes are mutually perpendicular. So you can write perpendicular. Now the x coordinate of any point on y axis is, that is 0. The coordinate of origin, that is 0, 0. So it is very important question for your examination. Now come to the next one. What is the next one? So you have see here, it is a quadrant. So first quadrant it is your second quadrant, and it is your third quadrant, and it is your fourth quadrant. How can see? You can see here -4 and -7. -4 and -7, you can see here in which -4 it is -1, -2, -3, and -4 and -5, and here is -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. Which point? First you just watch. So the -4 and -7. So we can plot. -4 and -7 is downwards. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That is the -4 and -7. In which quadrant? It is the third quadrant. So you can see here it is third quadrant. Y coordinate of any point on x axis. So you can watch on x axis. This is the x axis. This one is on x axis. But there is y is 0, because in this x axis there is no y any. So y is 0. So that one is given here. Y coordinate of any point on x axis is 0. The Cartesian plane, both axes are mutually perpendicular. You can see how mutually perpendicular. This one is mutually perpendicular. This and this, they make 90 degree to each other. So they are called as mutually perpendicular. Now come to this one is the x coordinate of any point on y axis. So you can see x coordinate on y axis, there is no x coordinate. So x coordinate is 0. So in this fill in the blanks, there is 0. Now coordinate of origin, you have seen always this one is coordinate of 0, origin. So you can say it is 0, 0, and it is origin. हिंदी में इसको मूल बिंदु कहते हैं, याद रखना, इसको भी जरूरत पड़ जाती है कभी कभी हिंदी के वर्ड्स की भी। नाउ कम टू दिस वन, it is the OX negative axis, OY positive axis, and OX positive axis, and here is OY positive axis, and here is OY dash negative axis. I think you understood all these things. Now come to this one. Question number 4. Observe the position of given points in graph 5. This is the graph 5. And complete the task using the following instruction. The first instruction is write the points whose x coordinates are same. So in which you can plot x coordinates are same. Here is x coordinate. That means the first coordinate. So you can watch first quadrant. So it is 3, 6, 3, 3. So you can write here. First one is 3, 6. And here is 3, 3. Second answer. And it is 3 minus 2. X coordinate is, and any others? There is no any other. Okay. Now you can see other point. Other point you can see it is 5, 5. It is one pair. Second is 5, 5. 5 is common. Here is 5 minus 5. Second one is 5 minus 5. The first coordinate is correct. Now the third pair, it is the first pair, it is your second pair. Now come to the third pair. Third pair is minus 5 and minus 5 here also. So you can write here minus 5 and 5, and second one is minus 5 and minus 5. So it is minus 5 and minus 5. This pair is also equal x coordinate. Now second, write the points whose y coordinates are same. अब लास्ट वाले को चेक करना है, whose y coordinate is same. You can see here 6, and where is 6? This one is 6. This and this one is 6. So you can write here y is minus 4. It is minus 4, 6. Y, and here is 3, 6. So you can write 3, 6. And here is also minus 2, minus 2. It is the second pair. Minus 2, minus 2. And here is 2, 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 is your answer. And any others? Any others? It is 5 minus 5 is the set. That one is next pair. It is 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5. Y coordinate is same with the 5 minus 5. So it is 5 minus 5. This one is 5, 5 is 7. And that is the 2, 2 is same. And here is 6 and 6 are same. Write the points whose x and y coordinates are same. So that's it. The first one is D point. So D is 3 and 3. Both are equal. And what about to C? So in this 5, 5. So that is the C point. It is 5, 5. And what about to any other? It is Q. So you can write the Q point. Q point is minus 2 and minus 2. Both are equal. And the R in this 4, both are the equal. So R, that is the minus 5 and minus 5. And you can check any other. Any other? No, any other is equal. So these are the answer of your question. So you can write in your copy. And it is very simple to draw the डायग्राम इन योर कॉपी. मेरे ख्याल से इसे ग्राफ की कॉपी में लेना है आपको और करना है. यदि ग्राफ की कॉपी में आप ये नहीं करेंगे तो क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट नहीं माना जाएगा. इसलिए फर्स्ट यू परचेज योर ग्राफ कॉपी. अच्छी सी ग्राफ कॉपी लेंगे और उसमें सारे क्वेश्चंस को करना है. नीचे लाल बटन दिखाई दे रहा होगा, इसको दबा करके सब्सक्राइब करेंगे जिससे मैं जब भी वीडियो डालूं तो आप लोगों को आसानी से मिल सके. और आगे स्कूल खुलने वाले हैं, आप इस वक्त सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. स्कूल खुलने के बाद फिर ये वीडियो आपको नहीं मिल पाया करेंगे. जिन्होंने सब्सक्राइब कर रखा है केवल उन्हीं लोगों को ही मिल पाएगा. और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें जिससे ज़्यादा बच्चों का फ़ायदा हो सके. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.